In this video, I'll show you how to very quickly flatten and unflatten folders using Adobe Bridge. The description of how to do it is in the video description. So here I have a folder which contains subfolders which contain images, and I would like to flatten this so I can easily see all the images at the same level. So all I need to do is go select the folder, base, select Tools, Flatten Subfolders. It will in total go and discover 192 files. And so we're done. So now you see all the files are now under the base folder. I can do work on them, I can rename them, I can do all kinds of edits. And then when I'm done, I click the base folder again, click Unflatten and Restore. And we're done. So now all the images are exactly in the same spot as where they were.